If you're shopping for an upbeat program for your event, whether it's a convention keynote speaker, an opening or closing motivational presentation, or some extraordinary entertainment for your business or corporate meetings, thanks for considering the Disney Lecture with motivational speaker Khevin Barnes. This is an inspirational keynote presentation from an award-winning entertainer and speaker, an original graduate of Walt Disney Elementary School in Anaheim, California, and a two-time cast member at Disneyland. Khevin Barnes is an Emmy Award-winning television writer and actor, and a professional magician for more than 30 years. Khevin was hired by the Walt Disney Company to perform stage magic for corporate events, and he entertained for 10 years at the world-famous Hollywood Magic Castle. This uplifting and inspirational program is all about Khevin's hero and teacher, Walt Disney, his unique history, stories, inspiration, and life lesson, and it's a charming first-hand look into the mind and heart of one of history's greatest architects of imagination and creativity. And for the wow factor, you'll be amazed by one of the most advanced interactive animatronic characters in the world, Socrates the Toucan, a $30,000 high-tech robot that will entertain, surprise, and astonish you. You can count on top-notch commentary, magic, and audience participation. Khevin Barnes presents the Disney Lecture.